say marade say wamani yo yemi na manko anko sresra de na medie manu aka say nyankopon bi ani o were makoma sadi were makoma sadi were makoma sadi were makoma sadi akoma sadi akoma Misra de nyankopon say afie a yesim kosi next year oma me yankasa menya memfe empade sane beya erade mama nkotare obi kunu ho na yankase makobo adwaman ebusiafo bemo akwaba edimoba experiences in life jumedi awani egusi enase kese enconfirm aboafo a wona somase nyina mirafo Jeffas herbal mixture. In fact, waye mi yi na waye obi bia wo ben mi susu yi. Aye du papa je say herbal medicine papa ya sheda e dia fa abafi mfidie mu. Aya ye no krogen. Etu yare do mini na ase. Hepatitis B, malaria, typhoid, menstrual pain. Anansimpo say yare ahoro ekeka ho nyina ebetu ni nyina ase e dia maw sanso e na obema waye mre e wo mpam da na obei wo kaseti ya rough of just say what the woni mu twitwi form saa ni nyina ne say untimi mu adwuma yi me pacho ye Jeffas P capsules pe memene bi nonom bi fifa bi sane ye beya me pacho oba no mani ebeso wadwuma ye no e wo empam anom de anom dia ego minimu a ekoye me soundman besi anom die anom die hu me say anom die me pacho angel beverages die me pacho enuni chese beverages a chese Ghana ni abruchiri bebia aloyes adopters chese emre wafrin kokro free e ma menumi chese maba wonyina no bia no me pacho tutu America odi ane say binya pano kakra bi na de aboso ese nkonkon a me pacho fa number do bi a wo petu bia me pacho wo pese na yas me ankasa me de brewa me de bebro sanso e na mahofa makama me matari e shemi efri na wo mas fashion sweet says baby I will be a enchakese enkomma oye ya wo se de ofudua pa ene ye piano enti dane da me se ma show boss edu kwasi ada se me nta ma won hye tekini ma bi mu says but oh ham you was there bi e wadi eye di hia ne se odi e mepam na e be fatal fa number ne sisi a happy birthday to me happy birthday to me happy birthday to me ebusiafo Endra ya me wa ibia ma me Endra na e ma woda kese pa in fact kusi say ye we nya me jimi bru nya di we ya me jimi birthday adi timi patro Endra na e ye ma woda kese pa da yankopon aseso di mfie ba ko ka me mfie hu yankopon show bibia da ne da support the program empaibo mun kran hye mafutuo chese mumu a mobibia medamase pa na se biem so enkoma me crew ni nyina yankopon inshompa omo abesie na yes the controversial but still umunya me ho abotre pa me dom papa wati mo anam benya me ho abotre ebusia me se enne chese meni agye na yese na maye asema ye kan bi chese ase wo hu a ekoyi kakra esese wo se agudie bi atifie hase a chese se agudie na mi beyi na kire no esese kana ya sene peme ho ani kase ka me sorry na wo me ko to for mano na na tutu tatai chese in fact my sweet sister we home o kana waka me wo your bad time we your bad time na ewo odo na odoni pebia obuni pebia na wakana dwene na otie na asem so a medofo ede obekọ enkan ewo abrabom na ohwa ehwan na we kana sim once o as o rush na abote break so na fe ofiri ho a me akasa me papa ma di nyina apostle yay asare apostle Suleiman say akadi papa wahu etimi nya me sweet sister wa ha na me nya person so wa ha na kire say experiences in life no unim say obi awobi inu mi wa wo hwe me minim say wo de aye trunk ni mu ma say bochu why crown was woni bi obi awobi enu ti ye betena ha say ya efutu enkranhye arechichire abrabom efutu yay wokona oba ese kwa ubi pono ofroa na wosane wofra etoda na ese nyame ni ho nyame ho pa yankwai yankoma mi sweet sister ene me papa omo akwaba yeye kese kam says Ohemaa Woyeje and that was when you because and always when you asri no siri sheshe ma oh says
hello happy birthday
thank you thank you
more blessings
thank you
more glory
says I wa bless me kwa de minim say fie no ewade di aka ho amame says nyankopon shraw nyame shraw
amen
me frɛ wo say says sister Ketwa me badodo na de ofru dua pa ena ye piano e ka me sister e ko ba bi o but was there bi ni ya keto e ade a o se ye piano to obeba o ja na ade nyina egu ho ena waba sa na papa so e bai papa me mo akwa aba so for ma me ho ye asori boko e de nyame ase sis na husband kwa na
yeah
yeah yeah to was I uncle nam
I said it obese no money at that.
I asem
I just oko enya sa wa ware so yesu jeni.
Enye says na pacho shito no e bia ma.
Any problem.
Oh says nka we be.
Oh memo Ohemaa Woyeje shito mo.
Says what is meet this how?
I see.
Meet this.
I know right.
Na ma say hey Ohemaa Woyeje shito nko a shito a wuti meet dia on for them. Emma we bon so.
That's right.
Emma common sundo. Organic. Papa, so one kasa no we organic to we be organic.
Yes.
Says,
yeah.
Ohemaa Woyeje.
I know born Nayas.
What you here? Catch. E di Ohemaa Woyeje no. O go for him.
Well, automatic say obey bi aye Ohemaa.
Okay.
Say obey me bi aye Ohene. Ntina ukunu be frɛ Ohemaa. Oni aba obey me bi a refer to you no pese ode any die ma oba we are your Ohemaa automatic.
Yeah.
We are kings and queens. Royals.
Okay.
Meanwhile, me mama wo mema nko ansi, me nko na me oba.
Oh.
Enti that just ebusia me fi mu no. Me Ohemaa wo me fi.
Aso.
Na me be radio so no. Na omo etie me, omo ye voice like IDs personal IDs every me ade no. Ohemaa na omo the way je na so automatic based on the way I'm see em adwuma kasa hodo no nipa ba ko e multitask me select me bo me present and yeah enti versatility no nyina put together na omo say adwuma na hu twantie ne Ohemaa Woyeje and
wow
yes, it began in Ekwapem Ankasampo the first person started no Ekwapem into Ohemaa Woyeje na no mo frɛ na that was top radio time.
Oh,
and okay. Ohemaa no be fi na Ohemaa na Ankasa Woyeje na akawa. Says
who ye dini?
Well, me a mix of me hudo bebre ntino. Me share the need for akon me free because my frafra me papa free prime atebu be obo na half origin. Okay. Me ma me fanti half and ankran half. Ena ye wo misunyane enti sunyane ye be grow like me hona me funu ma share me nyini 96 na papa si fi Kumase no move ye betena nti Kumase so na me be soro ye me obe mi aye ena me nyini wie be call school enti from there no ena adwuma ne ade na ede me ba Accra ena ma ba be bok abrawa Accra na maka Accra enti basically no me bibia bi ai
tina wo teka sa horo ni
yeah me everything some nti de to baby a meje
baby a
obi a be hia me aso Ohemaa ye me krom ni meje tum baby a dem betu bia me because the fact that we are Ghanaians Every baby,
and ye kasa horo ni na my nkakra my bono kasa kakra na my kasa ni na pese my fancy kakra just say atu
pese ye adwuma ni wa ha na
ni patro de my kakra because obo mo show when ya je o de my kabono no kakra kire ye
okay nti abono fa sa bre ho ahwo program nyina ho kro ni ba dwara sa ne nti he na ya ase ni ye hie mu ha ye hwe ni
guys na yanko fantasy so
Fantene de se me mama amfa me anko ne papa kru mu nti fantene de se wo de bi so me de no so
apom today
oye right
no atase Ohemaa
yo
ate
no bo
okay ate bubuso my kakra bie
oh say ho de e bie o e bono east
oh aso okay
but we say bono kasa no e dane based on baby porting a ofri breakum do ma phobia bono sunyane light bono ba because me call boarding house and not typical bono for no e wo ho ni nti no metimi kan bono no like bia bi kra kan de kin fra bibi obeken bia obete kin wo kasa no mu ni ade nti no yeah so basically I say when e be pem ye no nko ade e be jewo e be do e be choke no so ni e jai because e we ni say security officer no top radio no say me ba radio so me kan house na me say we ni ade na ne ya se me nka ewe enti ono na e kire me kakra bia
wow
se me ba show no so ana enti ewe ne de enhye da nye
okay
do sa but de aka bia de bia metena ye ne ba ethnic people na e wo ho no e keka kasa ne nyina enti naturally no me nyini no e wo me kasa mu se na minim se bia me be ye media radio crowd kasa be ye bibi titira bia na nka me fa no
ka fa ni serious yeah
enti ba na nka me ka fulani ka wangra kasa kazamrama se sala that you know because they were there yeah
wow Ohemaa uko school ankasa we him
well mako school bebre ti say dem di kan e wo misunyane nti me start school sunyane
okay
nti mama Lawson Christ International School na the first school me so apa me koye because sunyane whatever Rage Experimental School from Honum from Christ International me call Rage from Rage en papa de mba kuma ase na me ba Comfa no International Preparatory School nti ho na me wie JSS me wie JSS no and I'm choosing Sunyane Secondary School. Okay. Not called boarding house. Until I'm if come and say Sunyane Secondary School boarding house. I'm not my back. Okay. To me, you know, and I'm here professional media training, media net professional. I will come and say also quite. Okay. Could you quite na the late GBC director, grandmaster, and no mobile entity. Okay. Until from there, me we yana me near Juma because me we secondary school no, and I'm starting Juma Golden Aid and First Vision investment company. Or Roman Hill come and say. Now my experience was sales. Tibra me radio no mission broadcasting everything about it sales na sifo nyina nti me ba na omo ye interview a lot of people were applied nti me call you because na me work experience nti no me nyia no to nsi misa no na ye more mature the chain omo guta HND ni ade omo de aba no because me SS graduate at the time but I had on the field experience nti me name how I say then Inti ya fa medjuma se me na started radio on Koso radio.
Inti ebrebe na started radio no.
Radio me started 2003. Me we secondary school 2002. And I'm starting radio 2003. Me started 2002 now me ba fia na me started ejuma inti me working experience from 2002 from secondary school. And I'm my ejuma san be payment me school sa me ko degree whatever me ye nyina me nja ejuma da anko. Inti bia me evening student. Maybe I'm a weekend student. Yeah. Maybe I do my debut. I say maybe I do my debut. So now me go school. Now me try exams. Now me graduate. Now me start pursue another course. That's how I do my things. Inti, yeah. And I speak with you. No me that's go school. Wow. Like I'm on vacation. Inti.
Okay. Yeah. So it's 23 years in here. Oh, medium.
Yes. Till December in 23 years.
It's a celebrity.
Senior woman.
It's a Ghana.
Well, like auntie.
Na oba ye no ohuni say bibie kokama. Okay,
inti well it's been an experience.
Okay.
Mete wiase ase na mete ase abrabo no de is basically osuye hu no. Okay. Nkwa kra wunya ba ye no is it's an experience that you have had because nipa bebe ni enyem omo nya chance me enwo. Obi wa ida say be abot oni efunu no betumi ase ne ade. Enti hu kwan wunya ye e de mane mu fa say ye chim wo ana se be ekotwa na eyi oba ye no. Is an experience you have had. Obeto asasi so bibia that's about it. No? Yeah. Basically an experience. Inti no I've experienced Nyama from different stages. Okay. My experience in Nipa ahodo penyine mofra based on nyuma hodo ama ye ne miaya hodo amatenatena amantama hodo amakom and all that the bepema ware mu ne awo mu you know running my own ejuma so befa workers experience with workers near obeba obeye say near obeko no aye say it's been full of experiences. It be a betrayal, be a disappointment, it be a challenges, it be a attacks. But we have survived till here. Wow. Yeah.
Thank God. Say, brother, no Ohemaa Woyeje.
Well, me worry 2017. Nyankopo ya adoma next year na kamenya 10 years. Say nyankopo ya adom na boni bi ensia. Next year, I be celebrate 10 years wa worry.
10 years.
Odomo ye ne ya.
Odi adom ye ndida. Wa kuma penti onyame. Wa ye ni nyina bi dida. It is wa worry na adwuma wi na be ma ne te baby na oso te baby no experience ne say na ya na eti.
Okay. Say be ye nipa ne ya wa atenka ne de. Enye easy say to da bi abetena say the whole say be a whole year na man two kwan a. Because kandena me kunu eba more. Okay. Especially why for na say ye funu ba mu ne nti no no ja na adwuma ho ebetena mu ha na broche de wo free ho betena ha you lose a lot. Yeah. Nti na oye nhye say ye we nkrata na bibia nti me ne me mofa anywhere time that we want to travel no we don't na fe na okoje visa and we to kwan nti either say we decide say obetena ho and at any time apesa oba na obeba nti no well I just manage enough form but I manage to be okay especially because my first coming home you know and my own feeling lonely and because me were busy schedule
always busy
every day if you're lonely and you're not working and I would say sad you know okay but when you are occupied I had until what problem can I say we a busy person we need other job or no problems not that much until now was on contents okay say so basically that, but so we manage. Wow. But you manage.
Yeah. What your radio personality? Tembia, what's radio? So, some businesses, entrepreneur, fahana, kwaha, kolano. Our says nina saying ya na eti because as a baby, why you busy? Me single day. Hey, busy body.
Well, I would say a division of labor. Yeah. And apart from that, priorities and a preference and the word passion. Okay. Into radio, dear, something that's I'm passionate about. Okay. Into so be sure me ya me de me hu nyina ehim. Into ma se me ya me hu po say ye adwuma na me ye. Even though ye adwuma but so who says so ye adwuma na e adwuma okra pa. It is not too much of a work for you because you already enjoy the work you do. Yeah. Me selecting me obi am penyon pa say manye radio and come a musician because I recorded a lot of songs whilst I me go Kumas a lot. Yeah, can person be so class say radio pa Juma be na decide along the lines me be ye nyom who say me wo nyom me Jamaican artist. Oh yeah. Me ne King Jerry wo nti me obi am penyum ti selecting and playing nyom no me nim nyom dada nti easy say me boy line we me boy gospel me boy gospel high level me be say me fa me boy praise and me nim me boy hip life and me nim me boy old school and me nim me boy adada mu and me nim o ti say nti no ade a me nim me pe na me ye nti enye den sa in school no so I make no say me upgrade because for time I started radio na be there into social media. Wow. So after na the CD player I mean you so CD bag and I select CD z dey bonyom. Oh. Ya upgrade there you so different softwares I dey bonyom from sa PC DJ for na be pemene serato I you see nti ma grow nti I have to say me upgrade me go school say be ya service obi so be kan ho no ye adwuma ne bia who experience the but so we jeja ho say won upgrade ya before you know no what stay why dada oh na so won atwam you know amount for baby go afa so until that how come still I have to make time say make go school so aka ho and na edu ba bia ya na adwuma a we no akatua ne so because say wo nyakopon ma wo din ne animonyam no e de ho ahwehwede nam it brings you a lot of responsibilities until people expect that you do more for them and so because of that you know as I say me ye bibi ka ho top radio and I'm starting here Ohemaa Woyeje shito me we a diploma at University of Ghana Legon and I'm starting shito no and I'm a shito for all the years till now. Wow. And so I'm at the bar drinking bar no ni restaurant and fugu no and all other things e ba be ka ho ti shito ni ye me mother business so I'm doing that said the bear meet me a survive to until Ohemaa Woyeje na bia o cham je o feature say bombosia because say be no so interest say me hu to brain shame me go down will be bad e better say ade cham so ne me kakra wade menye di auntie I do all those things that make me balance life no me way through o chena nko Ghana for the enyawa so when me say wonye omo bone kra enyawa say so power omo akra ti me pam aduma na ne de abehye wo to baby won ni obi atem ne wo to wa bet
no de nka me be bisa okra sisi a
wo mutumi ka say wadi wo atem omo ni adanse bia so eche say na omo atetere say wadi atem na no omo wi omo ba be ko atia sa atem kro na wo mo na say wadi a wo gra wonya we no nti you have had people fighting you that they don't even know you. And ubisa say, "Edien pa no Ohemaa ye nta udi na tema oni hwe ka." But who say bia udi Ohemaa ye jatema trendy e cover viral.
Trendy and Ohemaa nso me so.
I mean few.
Ko ba be poncho ba.
Sister na me schedule ya me metena se no we kunto. No. Me hwe me po watem di me hwe. Me ntie obi send ma me delete. O tag me block you.
Eno so ka ho
e na ma we preserve me peace.
Yeah. And I want say ama unyi nyina nso na papa won say na oguso ye more young because unfasa wo me niema no enka hu enti emre bi aba na se ne a toda wo mu jojo woni ade no waka se da bi ade se nya adwuma ya enya radio adwuma ya e ko mu ndi matem hu mani ma se ne ade sa etimi njai emre bi aba na waka se adwuma yi di
mempa abada
wow
mempa abada because mebusuan for me nuano mo mema no they are so solid. Wow. I have a family. Ti me nya nam for sem. Me ni adam for me ko ni fie and asa adam for bi oba me fie no. E bia me business na e bia e be share wo me business center ne ade. E be ti me share wo programs as e be vibe nice. Oh yeah me colleague me no be vibe to say me no na damp across. Industry no mo parties are who say we together we vibe nicely. But it ends there at the locations at the events venues. You know, we am schoolmates I bet to me to say busuan pa but because I have a family and omo time omo share me den issue ba they advise me and I listen to advice. Say e sha ase no say me nipa e bia nka meto bomb pa so nim say me bomb.
Yeah, o bomb dey. Wan sha.
Obi anu wanu nya yansen Ohemaa Woyeje. But because me want to tell na me one ye kasa kire me and when they talk to me I listen. Okay. Until I don't come out tell me me who feel me ntimi no me yes because when I don't listen to them ochna I will have nobody standing behind me. Okay. Until me no when they talk to me I listen. That be why nipa bebre bia omo di matemetwem I didn't mind them because me slow and as them na can meet me account the chance e dey actual but me want to tie and am tie kasa kire yeah.
Says it's only say one more a yana woman do what no enkofo na show machi ebo mo pa say woman nyesa anasa say
okay I say say bo Friday na bad that and where your mama you should be ready for these things you say penny do matemant okay enti the tn say adwuma a wo ye no e to da bisa ho say ade na obi ba attack me Ohemaa Woyeje why dey onye o hwe you know but the point is me tena say assess na me hu say okay what are they looking for from me they only want to attack my confidence okay because me ne oka
onimu
woni basis kwanta udidi matem but me obi a me bomodin wo adwuma na me ye no ho enti otena se na o ya assess me wa try san on to me breaking me down to me stop it enti o feel say omo ke ka sa niama no di bring you moral down our weak you yeah enti the moment ube lose confidence no next time kra no nante kra no ma na nkomu popo ube tena radio no so a ka sa be dey I suppress enti afi wanya because of performance be ba form enti basically no it is because you're good. That is why they are attacking you. Okay. So what born now soon in fast one any relevance if you of course I can't watch them crowd be my own why popular or trend but we are already the ish. Yeah. Enti we do home come ebe ko ono kra be popular. And I say wo no who say obetimi abra ase to their level obesan kra be hwehwe ne page. Yes, you will be the matter. I've heard a lot of people say somebody they say I've never checked on their page. No, I don't want to. Me person me hu nipa kompo. But the ebia nipa no ne profile and the can hono. I get people who can take the law. I mean, action against them. If your details who could draw when you do this, your profile, which you can be two profile so, and my lawyers will address you. They'll reach you, and then next time. you know how to.
Say the as also stuck to us and I me you. Yeah, mama lawyer.
That's right. That's how you should do.
Wow.
But men fall with energy and more because omo tired say ye be brewase.
Be brewase.
Intimidating tenants that go say obi di matem ntima ba ma really no ye hwan.
O je hwan.
Na say nipa no na che ne say ono no to be rate. Ono ye rate no. Why na rate no? And fa na onya ne ncheche ne nti ase a or making allegations and perceptions and you know whatever that will put it out no it's not here as I say nipa no kwa ba na yes man your man the philosophy of life where all those things that they are claiming you know it started from into ono a ye kire na ade wi obe settle that people say hey say me kwa me yeah
says nyame shop yenina esese isua wanamo to in fact you are doing very well to say obi wo hu bia no esese isua na wo wadi kan no isua wonantie na dache etimi aboye says nyankopon shop says na no baby a we adwuma e angel make say an ABN edru baby no
yes feel free we no ball cry what's up what happened
we building ni mo no yes ye ma won
ai
e be ye de dra baby abefa bia Ohemaa Woyeje ye yi na di yes odu adwuma mi yes ye ma ni nwram e ma no nso che se ho nsem e ba ye no em se kowie police station kra says wadama eno ne ho asem etese eni di
okay enti well binim baby efi and Doctor Otima omohwehwe etie ni ade no obi anje anto ne ho so say anase obi anje blame no say ono na ohwehwe say adwuma no but the point is just as you heard no me ba adwuma me ba na gang sit in anymore say order from above say my mingra building na me say my head and said obi an kan share me say my mingra ho I'm say by one be a mask na they no go make me and I'm say hey obua Allah me adwuma me nko me nko me wura free ho anti me say akwa no free ho me chine say wo
free ho
no so person chem say about
me ma be akasifo be 6 was ahin
pupo enim ho na me ne wo mo yeah because of course me your family adwuma I have a contract as a worker and from my former station you know omo ma me contract as a worker edu ba bia me ba adwuma mo so mo fa adwuma na ma menye me bisa ye twen da ready are ho na menyem ni ade a mo so mo ma menye adwuma ya me stress from December November December throughout the whole December mo me anya adwuma throughout January nya mo me anya adwuma me resign ye no omo de me call court omo de me like omo de me atweman so from 2019 I'm a free multimedia be payment ne me da so court enti say Dr. Gokuti afọ me adwuma no ma me contract am ye adwuma no wo be gina wo ye landlord there so hwan say wo ma me ye adwuma no because I'm already facing a legal action because I resigned. They said they have a contract with me.
Wow.
Into another factory so ma wo nya adwuma na akọ ye ko de wakọ court.
It's the other station no. And I make us other media house.
Yes.
Omo de call court.
Omo de me call court.
So now asking how?
Yeah, that's the question.
Me no ye adwuma.
Yeah.
Edu ba bi me se me tumi ni wo nya adwuma.
There be also ma me nya adwuma no. Enye say
na che say woni omo ye adwuma asomdwu edu ba bi no.
Me come to kwan abroche me call leave by yeah. For the very first last time I me call me leave by me come kuno ho. Me free Holland aba ma be do my report so say ma ba ni ade me take me time so me co studio say ma me co studio. And then there's Muntimi be payment no man che me dey me ye dey esi uma me nye show no afi wo se me nkọ abonten ko report me nkọ interview hwan for abonten me nkọ he drug dealers ni ade me no me nkọ gather report na me say but producers ni ade that's their work and it was the first time and I made TBB say like me fi leave about so ma me nye I'm so really me nyemo because so nyem kran say o kan ntem
there be there
me first news saying no enti no means me frustration too much. That Ben and Meko they said they don't know.
Wow.
Back and forth report to every department penny or walk on near their OBM and fee. Miss me card the access office crown or your mammy activity me the I trust me that so ye do me know. Insurance, health insurance, I work a beer, they me renew me the automatically no what pamon what baon can't tell. Yet we argued this at the court and we lost the case. Until I'm appealing. Until when I go to the appeal, Yankopon ya adum na no credit they are fine. And na dia me chat to me say we are say. But ni nyina na share me den na me book kra matro no matro. Because I have lived the life, I have experienced so many things in life, the injustice, the unfairness. And so I think that as I said, me a book to inspire people. People must know and understand things, awareness, things you have to know. The book is not judging anybody. It's not speaking against OBR. Yeah. But it's showing you because the contract I sign pono. We are sign keke. But so legal knowledge because of clauses say money identity, you will not just sign a contract when you don't understand. Before you sign a contract, say when you legal understanding. That's why I'm reading law in school now. Not because me person me a lawyer. No. But I want to understand legalities so that I won't make those commitments because I've lost the property. Not only multimedia, the thing, but I also lost the property. And even when I went to consult a lawyer and I paid every money I have to pay, still, you lose your property. And sometimes, if you are not fortunate, maybe your lawyer will not even help you to take the right decision. And see, I have to know the law by myself.
Sis, I say, Yahudi bipa.
Okay, so it is an experience, like I've said, you know. Yeah, because you know I have lived a life. I have experienced life very well. So, well, until I'm a book, no. Maybe I may not have enough space to say things. Until I need to reflect based on me experience and then see what other people go through. Wow. I put them together and I wrote the book Life Beyond Opinions. Wow. And this is my second book, I'm able. Yeah, sis, we go through a lot.
And see, say, Angel, Wadauma, contract, how many years contract I'm going to sign?
Let me say renewal. You may renew my first contract, I'm going to renew. I'm saying the last one, I'm going to
Hey.
Yes.
I said, what boy you?
Oh, some that's what James met Dr. Kwakutenka for now. Me yante.
Oh, Papa better nka. Doctor Mpacha we yante on. We yante on Papa Papa misunderstand you. Nana him ka say. Who and that's what you mudu do.
Enche. Yeah.
Ana weja opesoja. Ana we.
Well, Nyankopon be na be kire. Say me che say. Contract in we intimate as we employee. Says
Nasani Asika enti ewu a.
Oh, they say ewu a. Say contract, they will contract you. It's either it is renewed or you decide to stay.
You be renew. Says.
Okay.
Ohemaa Woyeje.
Spokesperson. I know go.
Yamisha says Pacho Mesaba Papa Pacho wada ma bre mu kakra e ma na yintwa ye homra. You.
Children are our brain now, or share Sabre. If I could hear Glory Lamp Ministry International as a former. So, for Mammy, a prophet noble Mrs. Sarah Sarkodia. You Chanija and ye, as I say, your Bomodia didn't check a seer, and ma or no, and so. A year, Minia Bay, the story I only share no, a very inspiring, not a touching. So, one thing I have loved from or what she said. The nourishing of how she did not despise her little beginning. You will be you seem tonono. You should be instead of say remaining focus. You have so many in your concaino. Yes, you already made a permanent dianacra. Namapa baby diato. No chinabi me pesemi heavy, pesemi yes, but the system our firm alongside Ogusu Kranke to him or the progress or the recessiano. Benjamin say addition, dear Cassia say. I'm so impressed. Say, irrespective the level I would drew, you know, she still comes down to say, Mishita say, yeah, no way back to 2020.
That was in 2009.
2009. She's still with that business. And you ask yourself, say, 2009.
17 years ago.
17
years now.
Hey! Anypa in a shebi kumase na wotimi kuram e de konkan, but it has been a source I kutano and I want to also when insurance ade no omo pebum omo pe me hete omo pe ma chese menya bibia preko but then also Bible bokoko ehu enti e ho no de ma my sister credit say we share that secret with the generation. Secondly, so attention on from social media. I love that. And then even at church I was preaching and telling the congregation, say, listen to me, don't pay attention to it. See, as social media, we're in a very disruption. So when you be away focus, now we are attentive towards achieving some specific year. You see, they always take you off track before you realize what we still years. Now I settle back. Bible they kind of play. I say argue not with the fool. Obi or become ourselves now any pan who say we on fatas so pay attention the man. So what I say, and I say your kind. Sebi obi enu otobo onim so ye nyansani otobo bodam ni so obi so otobo bo a no onim say we ni papa sen no enti say wo bro ne so no obe create impression bi ama wo do attention ama no e no nam sa kwan ne so e nam wo so afraba so na bra wo ni be wie no na wo ye on hu fi because wasi untum ago hata bontin moreover all the pearls egum preko ani mama o matitia so I love that experience and you could see from her so because we are matured now tell the custom now reactions and in your mind you can easily tell so what you say and I love the way she doesn't pay attention to those things. Now one thing so I think I have to salute her is about her respect for family. Some people think say sometimes it's about them and I'm a drew her who are you to advise me who are you to talk to me but you see if you are saying I want to Bible said in the multitude of counselors there is always safety so who you be a oji afutu and I would tie nipa o konkan dinkuni mo abrabom and o hwe the progress of from how say kasa any idea me share that nimu no but you know say Martin and Ka or radio Ohemaa Woyeje
social media TV baby
oh me the radio particular
okay
radio particular Ohemaa Woyeje this you know na meeting her today and the way she is you know airing her story say you can in some no utimu say oh yeah, fear bar for 2-4. Oh yeah, fear bar. And these are the personalities we need to talk to the generation. Because sometimes I am beautiful. I love that. Somebody who said, makeup. Yeah. No, sit there.
Also, and then Yami and me, come sister, but come with name's Hannibal. Nothing. I am out because Mrs. Penny on makeup on your bida. Nami baby, Minya Crabby, and Nasa Memrasa, and a producer. So the Nayas, so they
the lady Kakrani. And the way she portrayed herself with respect to family, no, I love that. Obi wa betra was one between before. Na busiano kwa me na mete so na why. But you know, she's giving credit to the siblings. Any idea? Oh, now I think say no, the siblings and so man who said baby I would do be at our cheap because okay. Also I have people who backs me and that also should be a credit to the family. Say sebi o abusuam obi o ho obi hu say bia we na oyekuma menyi ni so na eba kan miensa you see na unuano mo mpenifo ebetima age o success atum eya na anodene eya na anodene because when you study the trend of scriptures Joseph ni nuanom it gives an indication. Enti se ni nuanom betimi age na tum say han ato anim baby a odru no yenya nyeden enuru ho but we will never leave you. We will support you, we will back you. And also I think say something that families should learn. So many families are not progressing. We shall be bring koso because of side way. We kuma na ofefepe so omkutiawo see sorry see twomba form see brewase. Oh enti ahoden no a na nka we here free enuanom nchen na wetimi de project no sa ahoden no na wo de kontokwa. Wo de kufie tokwa. Wow, dim ye pesi atwon e de woto fam instead of projecting you. And this out tie nin some kind lady I think say ye woti an advice. Now obi biara hwedwumadi emfa from how she developed her career to how you know she respects family and then how she doesn't give her attention to the general public because they didn't there e wa bontin e hunu how ko amama so a The social media is progressively improving community, society, nation. I'll buy a mamuha, say facture me when nim Jimmy.
Papa go on.
To the new Papa Penny Pana, ocean a body, Mammy Penny no fo. Now chasing who I would do social media. Say, Ediano, Nina Cacrani Pabidi. Was Sawada Jam or the Wabi is cow, David.
But I mean, you can see me pa share program me or so chia apostle or senior show unim kasa Ohemaa Woyeje or so yes smart so much. Ebusia for because so mama akwaba bi sanso mama akwaba bi Nyankopon show bibia ojebre no nyampre na daneda ohwe ejubedi Nyankopon koso instramo ne superstar wo maame wade nyina me pacho Ohemaa Woyeje ajwa rasta papa ena yedine ehia wo he me papa apostle omo ha say sweet says Nyankopon shira wate
amen
says bibi wo ha yepesi bisa wo say o san akọwachi bi mu a meka say bibi wo ho no mu a obedwin se wunya ya anka wanye ana se nka wankom ana
well me ye nipa enti ebi ade ba ko mienu bi ebeye mfomso no engese se meka say me huyanka manye ana say menye nuhu wo ho but unfortunately no enti ase amewo ewo nipa asetena ewo wiase mu no eye the fact say nipa enya ho kwan ensua wiase asetena ansa na wabetenem eninti ade bia obeba wiase obeye ne de beto no enye ne a wo ho nimude ansa na esi enti esese mitutu menan na me hwe ase ansa na mehu ne ayefe na hwe ase
okay
esese me ye mfomso ansa na maba behu ne ayefe na mfomso but se me nipa ye tete me mofrase enti na esese nkantete a me wo no e guide me de but there are things that would happen that me to me naturally, things would happen that you cannot control. What you say? And because of that, I don't blame myself too much for one or two things. Ebia in the past, uncle ye.
Yeah.
With the reason and say, now me preview to life. I just said yeah, me intentional about it. But that I don't remember any. But those that enye bibia na metumi a control na ebia meyeye ansa na misua ho ade no because me say tro no kra aka niama wuni mude na obeye no yentumi emfa no emu aten nti it should be something that you know say yemfom so na wo ye then you take blames for those nti because of that nti I doubt to say there are specific things that I did intentionally, knowing say a bone and I say a wrong. Na me ye na affecting me inti me hunya nkamanya. I doubt.
Okay.
But everything else in it is life that is happening.
Okay.
And that is how life should happen. Until say you as no, life they say is full of uncertainties. Say bibi a me yensi pa bi a metete me hu ye me maame atete me. Okay. But now so bi aware bi kra me kwa kotomu no. Ebi a aware na enyina no because me ni suban. And I'm anti but because of afanu na ebehia ye no obia ne background a wode nam ti amfa ho bia na me papa cry yourself penny bia apostle ye me papa it doesn't matter the number of our anointing oil na ade odigu so but I can marry and then the marriage will not last for a month not because musra ni so but because e wi ase na neme bi wo ho a it is not predetermined by us and nye bibia ye nim Nyankopon na neme bi no madi ntre wono ko Nyankopon ko no kase ne ama no ne opese ohu no e wodachi mu no e no ohu. And so one decided to know what is happening in future. It means that you cannot even blame him because sometimes man focus say Nyankopon no him say how obedi eduaba no e no de eduaba no kosi tru money ade but it means that say Nyankopon will not even take blame for things that would happen in future. Yeah. That means that some of us as humans in the we cannot blame ourselves too much when nyama bi ho ankoye in the past.
Sis abrabom ede na waye a meka se wanu hu pa obeka se unhu ya enka wanye da.
I doubt. I doubt there is any.
Okay.
Because so far life is happening.
Okay.
And it is still happening.
Okay.
Because I can say be me no me okra say me call you adwuma on my former station because me see so am here adwuma. It is the most tormenting experience I have had.
Wow.
But I won't say that my regret is me here adwuma wo ho because almost on my platform so eye bibi ma me. E di me do baby. Na me what up do na mo futie me pa e won cry.
Okay.
Me call ho no omo wo listeners wa broche interbroche 40 me ka pa. Nti you have gained, you have lost. Nti you know, if I say I have regretted, it means that the gains that I had, so I should also throw it back to them.
Okay.
But it is life happening. And that's the same me fa ho ansa na me hu sa say bibi betumi asi so betumi kura ye adwuma o baby. Aye adwuma pepepe asomom yiye. Amo ma frustrate you. Ama ujai ya still wasan no ko twema so sa dey no ejai. I needed to go through this to experience.
Wow.
Nti enne no metimi da yakasa tre e dey abo before me no be bia ma fa mu the wrong ones na ade nyina no. E bia na Nyankopon dey prepare me. Say enne say me ne obi a wo sa ate bia no mutena say na me ne kasa. I can impact on the person. I can today until I made be actual bookie.
Okay.
Today so many people who would have a copy of the book or be kind of. E betimi aboa ma why ni nsie yansa no be sign a contract. Obetimi ama nani ada ho e woni ama bebre ho. Don't pay attention to social media noise because the book says it's a guide to confidence, courage, resilience, and the power to ignore the noise.
Yeah.
It brings you an awareness into what you power and you'll be the all cast away no and a wood because you know yourself better than anybody else. And to say no be person or share will say what you know that you are not. No, why are you worried?
Yeah.
To say among things I can't probably be academic because I'm on for no cassa any other. These are all experiences. Please, it doesn't really matter. Say my fault, my cockota, she sika bebre, my bra, say, but anyama ebesi wo we are two nipa, ye nipa na to me. One kwane de, mean to me you are finia me to afo from. So yeah.
Wow. Nyamisha says, maybe you can say, obe udie when it just say obe tete wo ma or abrochi.
Okay.
And it's not expensive, sir.
Right. I think that they took it out of context. That's not what I meant. Only funny bizarre say. Say me compare awa me wo me money na me wo mo Holland.
Oh, okay.
Na me compare awa wo Holland any almost system no to Ghana. Dia wo hina me fa. And I'm so automatically no. Obia be fa brochi.
Yeah, 100%.
But say also me man wo. I'm with them in Ghana.
Okay.
Omu kuta Ghana passport mpo. But they are in Ghana.
Oh.
But I see that people are man for actually. Then I say to say I don't love my
country. What's the manage?
Meaning say Ghana go on to say. Okay. Minya fi Ghana.
Okay.
And I know how I butcher for entity here because of who can be brea. I buy the ma and kwala because they almost deal more. I buy more scar and all that. So they can tell you I have money in my account. I want this. I want that. Who do yes I Ghana? Okay. Who uncho about Ghana money in Chakoti? I butcher. Ubi to go there. Baba Joe back. Yeah. I love Ghana, but what I meant was, Chenny Padu will call Ghana or Mugu. I why a death sentence. Look, and it is not even stopping. Every day go on social media. A monsieur Shere or my this year. I'm not for you, would there be sometimes negligence, ye need bed. Say, no man can get be or move to me happy on game war home. People are dying because of this. Now, Adam, because me couldn't hear her name, you know. My money now me one more, and when I go. When you me call maternity, me call hospital. The way our doctors, or your brony, when you be near, but they will respect you. Or back crawl, Lord.
Ghana nurse for a nurse for more woman that
mental be free.
Consulting, baby,
greet and hug you, take you, sit down. Oh, about that, Albano already, you come out your pencil, the BB play, BB will hold that everything sorted.
Yeah.
And I mean, Nkwalano from kindergarten now to yani fees. But I started from basic one now. Kopim sans and obedu college now. Oh, you're buying take care of that.
And Nkwalano all quite remain na san school now san
ko. Ma kwan bia o GP.
Wow.
Na adwuma bia wo ye bia no o pension is secured.
Wow.
Same from the height of adwuma you say we share jacket and tie and our respect and recognition. No, everything that worker be deserving, okay. Everybody or get it. And why do you think that any right thinking person will say that mefa sa dey away from a ma mefa Ghana when hano you know what happens?
Yeah.
Oh man. But it doesn't mean I don't respect my country because I'm a typical Ghanaian with values if Ghana tradition I respect. Until I made it in Kuala Lumpur, o many Fians and I say, "O mo ankasa si jina say, abuche no better na, o mo ofi entity." They will not act anyhow. So I love my country. But when it comes to the system and how it works, even a buying crowd and a babekwa kwatena bruch, they Ghana wa. Into that one, you don't blame me for saying that.
Wow, says, eti maybe abana if you want to say. I can say me be pensioner be kwatena abrochi mentina Ghana
e bia endu pension because me kunu ho I just say my ma bi say wale ne ento aso bio e no de na me say on fa ne ho na me so me mfa me ho ntina ne me nkra take that me person me holidays na makodi holidays but I think that automatically definitely someday I have to decide say me move say me businesses na ade me contractor me dey adwuma me start ko school nti mean to mean sorry that pro person makotena butchi and I be close to my sister me established businesses and e be me ha enwuma na would suffer nti me wa ha wo ho and it works but say me ka forever dey enye no kre
wow says okunu epese bi say okunu obeware wo no na otse Holland did that 20 something years ago
Sweden na ne parents or your backro ne parents were Netherlands over the years one and no one say no koto ni fie was Sweden. But you be worry no more no na obeying it na wo for because so a single guy was Sweden or no any fear any identity until now for wanted him to get closer to them even before the marriage and ever since now established so Amsterdam
ne hojo pa it is a bullying no e koso sa na social media e na sen e na ohunu sen of fama
okay say like experience that I have had no onibi and hano
says pacho wadaro masum mame kaka ebusua me pamocho ye bie phone lines na frɛ na for adwentre ebra Ohemaa Woyeje Eufia ha Ajwa Rasta superstar our legend owa ti bie phone ye bie frɛ na for adwentre ebra it is pacho ento aso
enye ni nyina na ebeye ne dede but onim say so wakwa ware public figure ne de ho ne ama bi ebeba no ebi be kan enye ne de because oni sa experience a me wo edi attempts and meaning certain the day it's nothing it doesn't mean anything
it's ukuma busuafo no so ya na omonso say na omofa no
oh like I said no omo no any the experience that I have nti nyeni nyina na eyo omo de but of course they have married me and onimadwuma ameye ansa na oba be ware me and even before ware me no mo apen na bloggers crowd didn't trust me ni womb nti me ni bebe am ko fa sa so ni fie etutro de etwetwe be egu me so e de egu internet so but still na no o se me na no yere
opel wa no do se opel crowd de anka mo ntem ate but we de wodo
ya de me ne papa free aburu kire so mabusua ni o mabusu MPP mpanyimfo no abo former MC kwada so wo mu nyina be ka boss so be engagement ne wedding chenchirenti eye me hade menam te o da say o mu kan be but we are still here
wow
nti no be how mo de to some extent but I tell them that
wow
this is social media these are things that they don't hold water say indeed say bibi as say o mo take into consideration say no mo see me ni wo ma say
wow
Sebi me na me family planning. Ke bia ba na ma wo be 25.
Wow, be 20. Say what madodo say?
2 girls.
Wow.
You know, I have beautiful girls.
O ma dream
very smart girls. You know, nti omo kasa dede no omo ka. So omo ka say me ni wom na ma wo na enye family planning anka bosumi bia kra amenye mo a. E kire who the social media and omo nsem kan ye no te.
Says as a presenter and as a maker say as your personality no na afenum team hwan na team hwan na
akosi asewa
team akosi team legal wife na team other side no na they be a follow you who say wo dey we team.
All right, so I have said it a number of times to say, me belonging to any team.
Good.
As far as I'm concerned.
Good.
Me belonging to any team. But you see, me support Akosia Sewa on the arguments that any say Lumba and declared that say, or you know, ex. Even at the dying moment, and I refer to her as a wife.
Asama okay, the baby.
That's it. Okay. That's what Lumba said.
And
I'm talking about Lumba.
Okay.
What did they make an say? Enti no eno ankyere sese obi wo yere na one oba wo a oba no one ni nimma anaso one ni asetena na one ni nkuta hodie ba me no kakra na mesua a minim efa aware a ye de yen sa hyenkata say ordinance marriage na say unya ye saade na aware foforo bia ye invalid.
Okay.
As long as Lumba nka so an ex na kire say because boche so one sign krata young register ma ware no e wa boche. That is the argument I make here say the woman is still a wife. Some people should stop disrespecting her, calling her names, and she bojadi kunulumba nka wo baby understand yiri ni ja no wo baby na come day no ana baby. So I only argue that please the woman is a wife asama nka say obi obata ho no onye lumba bibia na say oni ni ma na say se come day na say se pam fini fie na say se de se fata no ye gifri ni nsem. I never said anything. I wasn't judging, but I was defending the argument and the fact that Lumba never referred to the woman as ex. It's one worker saying no. And I didn't get where that was coming from. I didn't belong to a group, but I was supporting a fact.
A fact. But sis, I say one say kase Lumba engine baby anka. Good. But sis, a court no so. Yes, see, mammy, I could say, "Wa, our court no, young Cassa, tea." Okay. I was a law student into me. I'm Raka. Sweet says, Patrol, so mammy Kakrawadauma. Hello. 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 Going to me, and you know, so says Patrol.
Court and Ancassa.
Okay.
I could say, one lawyer, and to me, I'm fat. Our running crater.
Okay, sweet says Patrol, so mammy. Yeah, hello.
What do you mean, God?
Me patrol yet on Kawadama, Udini baby, I will free.
Hello.
Hello, me patrol, Udini baby, I will free.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Udini baby, I will free. I'm set.
Oyeje.
Hello.
Your friend Kojonto, my friend North Kaneshi.
Okay, although you young quay.
Kojonto, North Kaneshi, Swan Lake.
Okay.
Oyeje.
I know, boy.
Yeah, your sister Boaku pe. North K, no size. Oyeje Boaku pe. Oyeje couple brother nini, couple brother.
Okay, Martin.
Couple other for here the baby cry, ne brother Boaku. Short guy behind your taba.
Yeah.
No size.
That's yes.
Oh. Yeah,
okay, says me patrol Wadama Yanko.
Enti there, I said the question court and say the lawyer could not provide.
Okay, sweet is patrol so mommy Wadama. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, me patrol Dini baby I will free.
Hello.
Hi, me patrol Dini baby I will free. Patrol low up TV me kakra na enti.
Hello, good evening.
Wadama Udini baby I will free.
I am innocent. Kasem kufudia.
Patrol Yanko. He went to be engine.
Hello, FM innocent.
Innocent Yanko, Papa.
Me too kasa crow. Hello.
Me patrol sweetest patrol Yanko, Adama.
And it said the American lawyer no and to me provide the document, the way the judge wanted to have it.
Okay. Since na dey na wo ka say lawyer na ntimi am provide bibia because lawyer no so
say. Who can say?
Okay.
A court na prove say on your wife.
Yeah.
And I make say improve you ho sir.
Okay.
But
Wadama bonchiremu kakra ma.
And some judge ebe making a judgment and based on nyama mutimi provide the support team case.
Oh, okay.
From afanu ni nyina. To be able to me bama I brought the certificate. Okay. But the judge said open in authenticated or a certain way. And that's not what the lawyer brought. Okay. What the American that is the only thing I affected lawyer no. Okay. The evidence was submitted in my court. What the American inti anchor there say. Okay. But it's because of the available materials to support the case, no. Okay. And a deal which sometimes your client, our lawyer bit made I told you I lost a house. Okay. I told you. Who bet your lawyer pepe. But sometimes also they also fail. They lose cases most of the time. What did they make an assent? He said, "Oh lawyer, anye due diligence. And far more Oh, good case, but Ube Lucy. What do you say? Case, yeah, we had them call courty. What do you say? Him for. Oh, yeah, what Juma, what but what Juma saw my own year Juma. Oh, Koya or Doko Cotsad and our boy. Who to me, as I say, Uluzu's our case. Good. But you have lost the case. You go to appeal to see if it works there. If it doesn't, it is life. It happened to you. From experience. I'm going to be too awful. Ain't you know, just because when to me the type of certificate now she was not a wife. No.
Oh.
No. Until court. Until that decision still me overturn, you know.
Wow.
Appeal section, I bet me she was the only wife.
It's all for us to say appeal no.
I mean, this thing, I drag it too much.
It's too much.
Me, I'm human.
Okay.
And like I have said, no, me, when I support what I feel is right and fact.
Yeah.
And I supported a fact that I know, according to what the law says about ordinance marriage. Okay. And don't just say, I have lost it, say, we have a lot of issues to take care of. We have a lot of problems to, you know, I mean, and you see, this life sometimes, and they kremu. Now say we are saying say ni mawa, and no call that fate. Fate, F-A-T-E.
Wow.
Never be why it won't work, not because a young forms will be but because it will just not work.
We are done.
Exactly.
In fact,
who's I know to home for them, Charlie. And then go good and you was with you now on top. Yeah.
Says Nyamisha, Papa and Pacho Bremka Crana, I am Fajumedino.
I believe that in line with general issues today, most at times, I reserve my comment to say team A, team B and stuff. I really reserve my comment to that. But with her legal issues now, or can one semino any senior, she seems not to be content with outcomes. I think that Bible no a check. What kind of Bible was it? There was a widow. Now, when you court case, and the widow realized, say, "Osikani no nenya seven, ni sike tu fesu amano." I know you're not doing says, "I tell you, man, judge me on that." And he, who do sika be kodia? I mean, so metata judge no. And he, oh sorry, no si judge ni fee. Oboni promise me patcho. I say we nim say woman, and nintia me. Ordinary sa tata no ana judge no say that. We there, so I ji ademu die cry say, "Ochasi no dia seven mama no, and no demand unti." Some of the challenges she's going through, once she's a woman of substance, or G Christo di jempa body no, I think so on for being yempa because some of these things many a times yana and your canal or physical senior you no nipa fan your mechi. Apart from the fact that you nipa diska crano, there are people who still use other concussions or who use other things and they achieve results. And you also so one a backbone in terms of spiritual fathers near there or rely more on them. No almost so vampire bo in na me Jimmy say adia ya wodia onyankopon de ochisisie. God is supreme and are superior. No matter what, onyankopon bemua enkunimdie eye ne madia. Patrwati ase enti nia ofam won the case mu so ka no akoka kakra na se otumi se ewe no ha no ewe no ha no na onfa dodo no emma ne prayer warrior ne spiritual fathers since she keeps yeah now on and take it on in the realms of the spirit.
It's Papa ususu say e bibi ne krem ususu say I mean
so what you say you can dey say
I say
obi ameko leave pachotio or say or co leave you hear the consistency of the matter or co leave or free leave ba onyem or ko fanyi say dey aba and you say the date of resumption so mane pa ho ana mane pa ho
no
oba the exact date of resumption oba ya yes ya pamu dey nti na mapamu me nche masie
efie no omo ana omo de ma ho
omo na eto ase na mimi tua.
Hey, this is very painful.
It is not easy, but
since Ujini Pedi, Papa Mpacho Wadaro Makafra Mesamba
but as I said, the person you know what's na. So we actually move time trying to know more than then. Inside, you didn't plan to be signed. I feel you can
yeah. Wow. Papa Mpacho to us.
The explanations the trust no judgment na kwati ano ne de ono ati utimi mu se ne kasa mu no ne reactions no ohu se ankoyi aha ana ankoyi wonam from one no chese nyagogo abu ati awo so when you resort to the right people who will stand the gap onyankopon ti ase odi oni bi asema no ye papa ne ho na djuma ho ba asem emre bi atwam kakra ye JN Bank you see edru mre mu odin no so moto ni slogan of fire Jeremiah 29:11 and one and oko ne hotel ya choka kaka ne boho Jeremiah coconut grove what shop was Jeremiah 29:11 and that has been their drive, that has been their motto and there's every triaba so at as if you no kwade de ebe dead and maybe make us more man adam she should now put confidence in the man of God so spiritual fathers and prayer warriors she should get them on now almost so from nyankopon they should petition God in prayers onyankopon do chisisi o chino ade ba ko nyankopon chi atenchia so we yes adie no na nipa nyankopon wa pama God will not spare your life God will deal with you anti ote mo for ka bible also no su nipa oni di manipa e no mu nyankopon but the bible no say wan hwe ya no ko be free ni sa he sounded quick and di asem ma ma me no aha ne kwa so enti yemfa bible ni ade so enyinam entachi na me jimi di say obenya positive results
Yankopon show says Aja Rasta Ohemaa Woyeje our superstar says and some ya kenyina wada ma o final ways to some ya kenyina
nti medo peni ase na nuhwam ne nkasa yemu do pa the way utimi epic the various things no address and it's very beautiful and me that I appreciate and hopefully no obebom pa ni bi atame
papa
na appeal ho ne akwaje nkunim de bana drama bre
ka fra
kenyina ba shiska nyina ba misika
ba shiska nyina
misika nyina lo yesi ni be di bi
say him pa bo papa ye him pa bo
so once you survive no I have this invitation for you. Opinion Patrol, me do invitation be ma.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Where am I dear?
Yes, please. Okay. Yes, queen. That's right.
Okay, says where
invitation to Nyakopon Adma and then I watch me you know.
Okay.
A year 7th June.
Okay.
Me launch my second book. Title Life Beyond Opinions. A guide to confidence, courage, resilience and the power to ignore the noise.
Wow.
Ngoma, it treated different themes. It brings you self-awareness. And manyama you know it by yourself. Inti how adebia wo hu nimudie no enye dadwene emfa mao. Inti matache on authenticity. So person we live natural life.
Okay.
Near or tired de brel. And
natural life
even artificial and
okay.
The other risk involved and all that. No, my two is so it's a free world. You decide to do what you want to do. And you know, a two is marketing so it talks about relationship, and then people on the surface, but behind closed doors they go through a lot. And because of near I'm phobia settle on a near be the apata woman, that's not the way to go. It's either say Ujaho and I'll bet no so how I'll because I live here. Ubenya one kasawa because you also have a life to live. No matter what is happening in your relationship. I've addressed these, I've addressed a man or tire, a man from especially when a woman is successful in life. I've addressed penny any kwanya as I say ya my attention company for so because we'll get there. And I pay so one can so conduct of my life. I walk you know the technology.
Wow.
And you know there are things we know be better, but the world is advanced. We create meaning say one kasaoba no wade no wetu anaka. These are things people don't know. A mofra addiction to the internet. Kwan obe manager niam say oye na wetumi amana adwene fi so you don't just say but the other options alternatives are betumi fall on. Matre kwan yakọ baby na obi the secret cameras. Abobo baby and the hotel near people naked videos comes out. You have a life and sanity.
Book
different themes.
Papa,
it brings you the bullet points, and yes, how you're guided. You are so conscious of everything, you know. What na ma why alangad? The fact that the last chapter talks about the fact that you don't finish living and you die. And I said himself baby a fagule frame. And they were very sad. Very sad. But she had a whole lot of things doing. Shawama will be a new joint baby. But this is life. You to be new so told that now we be na unye mpa and say man how baby because no matter what and unye na we free. It talks about
it's serious cry no says then ye beje papa ye beje obe breast one day netim owo no so ba monka yo
Solomon said vanity upon vanity and irrespective we accumulate anyone you aka won say e da we ni mo twen
but any nyini
and yes Bible na kadada o se bone draw so nti na Nyankopon so ti ni pankwa na so
papa bone de
bone air draw so nti
air draws
bone do nti
na me feel so say bone draws
it sounded like that though
bone air draws okay Nyankopon so twa ni pankwa na so I so the days of medicine 969 no channel you say you any pay di bone no what so 628 or share no what so no there say no there be 75 yeah me sure what so kra na e ja Bible 20 na ehu ye no is that them say number
42 32 24
just say 21 23
yeah now some of these things the technology the food and stuff is wearing us off is wearing
and the pressure na yanka say ye toma ye hono
send your pa
nyina wom book here be do for Nyankopon ya adoma on the 7th June 3:30 me pacho Drew Huntem
National Theatre
Drew Huntem na be hia ye nyina e wo honom bisro brawate na obia hia bia busua bia ehia bi kwadama bisremo a says pacho bi honom a obesan aka
well so basically I need people to come and support yeah and turn tickets but of course we launching a book no when say bia it's a good work I have done. Sebi Arabia na here paracetamol. There are things that you just read a chapter and then you boom so why you're so relieved, you know. Not just say what supported it. Thank you so much for having me on the show.
In fact, many are so says in fact and many are you.
I know.
Many are you. Now Apostle or say Apostle Samuel Kitsi Yamin Shrano was me birthday was he Nayas see na just producer me message I just say and I'm say hey Apostle one nana and I'm say hey what surprising me more so surprising me in fact and now so nyame sha me ma me say me birthday ma me e wo fufuo tim na just say ni nya communion wine so kakra papa communion wine ni fufuo no ma say me de enya asem keto no dey me enjoy it just say enya asem keto oh my God! Happy birthday to me! Oh my God! This is a surprise! Wow! Hey! Wow! Jesus! Hey, surprise, pal! Wa said pacho wadaro mabuaye ye sorry na buaye na yencha ai hey Queen Emma official boga ba kope okay papa pacho wadaro ma sorry na ai Apostle ai Samuel Kisi Nyankopon onhira pa say what surprise me one me na me ken nyame onhira oh che say agi me nsem hey, na me big sister so ha. Okay, papa bompa e twem eja oba. Ene sunsu.
Wow, nice.
Ma Florence obi nim sweet mommy baby bia obiano. Ositran.
No boy. Hey, Mr. Mafino, can say me share the name. Flow,
was say program now walk on. Yampo or Baba Share Ohemaa Woyeje. Says
Cake studio may tremble. Next
year. Now program need you to you. What the bonium will be hunyum. Hey, sister, Boga. No, Boga na. Original. Now the munina must surprising me, sir. As I hear too much. I hear Yankopon unshamu pa. In fact, many so. And Nanka so special, mammy, because
so we are special.
Just say, Mrs. Penny Wahano, a man, no, and Nijana, I yes, Ronco, Nam Papa Waha, Queen Nima Waha, just say, Apostle, Kese Samuel, just say, Yamisham Nana, Ubi Biara, Afe Ebi and Jimiko Funina, Yankopon Shaw, Bibi, Amido, Bibi as a Ghana, my Obi, Riasi, Bibia, Mido Biasi, Menia Sopa. Thank you. Hey. Amen.
Original queen.
Says cake he says you di kakra. I me say I and I mean track kakra ni wo natural say. Ye. Odi ajo papa. Cake he
baby ya into no meet me jini.
What me jini? Says,
oh my God.
Okay, me kakra.
Okay, that's nice.
So you get there. And
that's right. Okay, that's fine. This works for us.
And I say so bedi kakra.
Oh, sir. That's nice.
Queen Emma official. Papa the end me for me so now. Says Mbacho, Trabina dear, not just na dear.
Still.
Baby okay, no say one am san be me. Remember official.
Queen, you have the knife?
I have say. Any of you made you any ya di ese. Na woman's person. Na me so, o matare kama. Adro rasta wa ha o.
No bo.
Ya rasta wa ha.
Na
me rasta wa ha. Ekre rasta wa ha. Obna rasta wa ha. Ya boy anu so. Karina cakes. Ya me so why?